You know what is the problem when you are looking for a job? Is cracking the interview. It's a challenge that everyone faces. No matter you are fresher or you have experience, like 8 years, 10 years, still get nervous, you fail into interview. It is not about how strong your resume is, how much depth knowledge you have, or how much experience you carry. If you are not able to convince your interviewer in the interview, nothing is going to work out. Everything worth zero. Then what is the solution? Let me tell you a secret. How did I crack my job interview for a staff engineer role? I found this tool called Interviewtrix. It is AI-enabled interview preparation platform where you can design your resume. Second, you can practice your mock interview with AI. If you're coming from software engineering background, then you can practice your coding round. You can practice live system design and AI agents, which are fine-tuned and designed for taking interview. It learns from your resume and the role you are applying for and instantly design a interview room for you where you just give a live kind of interview, feel a real pressure. Agents ask industry standard questions that are being asked in top tier companies. It gives you, that real challenge and put you in a situation where you feel as you are sitting in front of a real interviewer. At the end, it generates question by question feedback. Most of the time what happens when you give the interview and you do not get to know what went wrong. Sometimes you just you feel like interview was well, but I got rejected and you're not able to get the feedback also. But here what is going to happen when you're practicing on Interviewtrix, you're getting instant feedback. Question by question feedback, you can go, you can reach, you can see where did you perform well and where you struggled. Then when you practice next round, AI learns from the previous interview and it asks questions from those areas where actual improvements are required. So stop making your real interview as a practice ground and lose those well opportunity. Practice on Interviewtrix and get ready before real one happens. Sign up today on Interviewtrix and get 14 days free access for all its premium feature. So what you're waiting for? If you're really serious about your job, go and sign up to this tool and just go and practice. Just go and check if your resume is ATS friendly, if it has a good ATS score. Just give 2-3 rounds of mock interview and see if your communication is good. It has a recording. You can go and play your recording. You see, you could have answered that question like that. It has a coding round. It has a system design. So go practice and see how you're performing. Let's crack that so-called hard interview together and get hired.